I've got my Excel graph done already, right? Sorry, not my Excel graph. I've done my spreadsheet for Excel already. Next thing you do is you're using your docker.stat.auckland and you're going into inzight. They want to see if you're a robot. Let's see if I can do this. I know I hate it.
I swear never failed my exam for it.
So this is another thing while this is going on. Ladies, on the event of the exam, on the day of the exam, what I'm looking for during the class between now and then, and especially on your practice one, is can you show me evidence that you've been able to get through this on your own, such that if something bad happened on the real internal and computers are freaking out or whatever, I already have evidence to say that I know you do that, and I can just help you through it. So there shouldn't be any walls as long as each of you can kind of prove to me that you know how to do this stuff before the actual exam, okay? Maddie?
Yeah.
Right. Clicking on the link. Waiting for the internet. And again, you need to choose your file or browse files, whatever it says on your particular thing. I'll grab a data set that I have, see it in here, and again, we just want to go to basic, pick our two variables. Right, so this is great, but it's missing the confidence intervals, right? Okay, so inzight will very happily do this for you, but I need to emphasize it's going to draw them on there for you, but you still need to do the calculations, right? To pass this exam, you still have to show me what you've written down for your calculation. So this will draw it on there for you, but you still have to calculate it using that median plus or minus the 1.5 times the IQR over the square root of n. Okay? So to add this on, you just scroll down past your graph a little bit, and you see where it says add inference. That's where we're going to go. Our question, were we asking about the medians or the means? We were asking about the medians, so we'll click on the medians. And I'm going to leave all the rest the same, comparison intervals and normal theory, and I'm just going to say, show me the changes. Look at that. Confidence intervals are on there. So now you can screenshot this and chuck it onto your thing, right? So the confidence intervals are on there now. You can just screenshot it and put it on there. Abby?
Can you just turn off the lights so it's a bit easier?
Good news is next time we might have new data projectors that you can actually see stuff on, because unfortunately on this one you can't see on the data projector, but what they do, which is really, really helpful, is they make tiny little vertical dotted lines straight up and down for each of the confidence intervals. And I can see that on my computer screen, and I can see quite clearly if they overlap or not, because it draws those lines for me so that I can visualize whether they've overlapped or not. So again, once you've got that graph on there, you just scroll down to the add inference, make sure you pick medians, leave everything else the same, and click show changes, and then this is what you can screenshot into your thing. Yeah?